In episode 9, we explored the Middle Ages, a time of knights and castles and unwavering faith. But now it is time to turn the page on history as storybook and dive into a period of unbelievable transformation. Welcome to episode 10, the Renaissance, an era where the world turned upside down and new discoveries painted the future of humanity. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's dive straight into the show. We open this episode with a bang. The year is 1300 and the place is Florence, a city in the heart of Tuscany. Our camera pans across the bustling marketplace filled with merchants, tradesmen and artisans, all going about their daily business. But there's a buzz in the air, a sense of excitement and anticipation. For today is the day that the renowned Medici family has commissioned a new sculpture to be unveiled. And judging by the crowds gathered around the scaffolding, it's safe to say that this is no ordinary statue. As the velvet rope is pulled back, revealing the sculpture in all its glory, we hear gasps of awe and admiration from the crowd. And why wouldn't they? Standing before them is a masterpiece, a breathtaking depiction of David, the young shepherd who faced the giant Goliath. With every curve and contour meticulously crafted, this marble marvel seems almost too perfect to be true. But our attention is drawn to a small group standing near the sculpture, their faces a mixture of pride and satisfaction. Among them, a young artist with a mop of unruly hair and eyes that seem to hold a universe of ideas. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the brightest stars in the Renaissance sky. You might be wondering, what exactly is this Renaissance thing and why should you care? Well, picture this. Imagine yourself as an archaeologist uncovering a lost city buried under layers of time. As you brush away the dirt and reveal the secrets held within, you realize that this isn't just another ancient city. It's the key to understanding a civilization that shaped the world. That's the kind of journey we're about to take you on. The Renaissance was more than just a change in scenery. It was a revolution, a rebirth of art, science, and pure human brilliance. We'll explore how geniuses like Da Vinci and Michelangelo left their mark on the world, uncover the secrets of the printing press that sparked an explosion of knowledge, and see how ordinary folks got a front row seat to some seriously mind-blowing discoveries. In short, get ready to witness the magic that turned the Middle Ages into the modern world. Now back to the show. The Renaissance began in the Italian peninsula during the 14th century and lasted until the 17th century. It was a time of immense creativity, scientific discovery, and a renewed interest in classical art and culture. The word Renaissance itself means rebirth in French, perfectly capturing the essence of this transformative era. Let's start with art. The Renaissance gave birth to some of the most iconic and influential artworks in history. Painters like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael pushed the boundaries of what was possible, creating masterpieces that continue to captivate us today. Da Vinci's Mona Lisa, with her enigmatic smile and lifelike appearance, remains one of the world's most famous paintings, while Michelangelo's David stands as a testament to the beauty and power of human form. These artists didn't just paint pretty pictures, they revolutionized the way we see art, introducing techniques like linear perspective and sfumato that added depth, realism, and a touch of magic to their creations. But the Renaissance wasn't just about painting pretty pictures, it was also a time of incredible scientific discovery. The old ways of thinking were being challenged and replaced with new ideas based on observation and reason. Scientists like Galileo Galilei made groundbreaking discoveries in astronomy, observing the stars and planets through his telescope, and providing evidence to support the heliocentric theory that the Earth revolves around the Sun. This was a radical idea that went against the teachings of the Church, but Galileo's observations simply couldn't be ignored. His discoveries paved the way for a new understanding of the universe and our place in it. Of course, no great movement would be complete without a trusty sidekick, and that sidekick was none other than the printing press. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg around 1450, the printing press allowed for the mass production of books and other printed materials. This invention had a profound impact on the spread of knowledge and ideas during the Renaissance. With the printing press, books became cheaper and more widely available, which led to a surge in literacy and education. Suddenly, people from all walks of life could access information and ideas that were previously reserved for the wealthy elite. This democratization of knowledge played a crucial role in fueling the Renaissance movement and giving voice to some of the brightest minds of the time. Now let us put on our thinking caps and explore some fascinating facts about the Renaissance that might surprise you. The Renaissance lasted roughly from the 14th to the 17th century, a span of approximately 300 years. The word Renaissance is French for rebirth. The first printing press appeared around 1450 CE in Germany. Human creativity can change the world. Science and art together create progress. Knowledge grows when ideas are shared freely. The Renaissance was the dawn of the modern world. These lessons will guide us as we continue our journey through time. The Renaissance was a period of great transition, a bridge between the medieval world and the modern era. It laid the foundation for many of the scientific and artistic achievements that would shape the future. But now it's time to take our adventure to the next level. Join us in the next episode as we explore the age of exploration, when intrepid explorers set sail to discover new lands and rewrite history. Our journey through time is far from over, so make sure to subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode. And if you want to dive deeper into the wonders of the Renaissance, check out the additional resources provided. There you'll find a treasure trove of information and activities to bring this era to life. As we conclude this episode, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible legacy of the Renaissance. It was a time when human potential knew no bounds, when art and science intertwined to create breathtaking masterpieces. The spirit of curiosity, exploration, and innovation that defined the Renaissance continues to inspire us today. So go forth, dear viewers, and embrace the spirit of the Renaissance. Let your curiosity guide you, your creativity ignite your passions, and your pursuit of knowledge illuminate your path. Who knows what wonders you might discover? And remember, the Renaissance was more than just a moment in time. It's a state of mind, a celebration of the human spirit and its boundless potential. Keep that spirit alive and let your imagination soar. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep discovering. The world is yours to shape.